Okay, so today we'll be doing a, get ready with me gym edition. It's gonna be kind of like vlog style. I'm gonna take some video while I'm in the gym, but I am going to put on a full face of makeup. We'll be testing out, this will be, episode number 1. We'll be testing out the Dream Velvet by Maybelline. It's a matte foundation. I'm in number 94 Coconut. So we're gonna go ahead and prime and moisturize our face, and then we'll get started. Palmer's lotion to put on my face. Not a lot, just a little bit. Not that I need to put lotion on my face and go to the gym. It's probably not a good idea, but I'm gonna do it today. Use Mud the face. It's just a simple primer. Nothing fancy. It does hold well, I will say that. I'm gonna take that Dream Matte, it's called Dream Velvet, and I keep calling it Dream Matte. So we're gonna take a little bit of that on the back of my hand, and like I said, I'm 94 Classic Coconut, like a, one of those artiste style brushes, and we're gonna dip that in there. Make sure you take your makeup down your neck. Don't want any lines of demarcation, especially if it doesn't match your neck. You want to take a little bit down. We're gonna see if this is gym proof. We're gonna test this foundation out and see if you can go work out in it. I'll do some cardio. Today we're doing legs. So yeah, we'll see how this holds up. Won't be too crazy, Use the NYX Studio Photogenic concealer. It looks like this. I'm in shade 7.5. Elf brush. I don't know what this it's called, a concealer brush. And we're gonna just dab that around. I don't know what I did with my mirror already. I've already misplaced it, so I have a mirror. I didn't have one. So if you really wanted to get rid of this, like if you're going out, you need orange concealer to like cancel out that color. So I don't have time for that, but if I was going out, I would totally like color correct it. We're gonna use the MAC Skin Mineralized Finish in Deep Dark. Everyone knows what that looks like, right? There we go. This e.l.f. brush, it is the Sculpt Face Brush by e.l.f. And we're going to use the Ruby Kisses Mineralized powder, and this is in the shade Ebony. It looks like this. I'm gonna take it with my ear. That little tab in my ear and go like right here. Brows are like sisters, they're not twins. They will never look identical. I'm going to use that concealer, the NYX one, the 7.5, the one that's closest to my skin tone. And I don't correct the shape on the top, I kind of let it be natural. I like that look. Alright, and the blush I'm going to be using today is by La Flemme. It is called Dark Amber, and it's an orange blush. I like that angle look, so it makes you look lifted. It's a Luxe Color palette. You can get it at your local beauty supply store. Put on black eyeliner, but today we're gonna wear brown. Okay, so that's not working out how I thought it was gonna work out, so we're gonna use black instead. This black eyeliner is by Maybelline New York. It's the Master Precision Skinny pencil. It's like this, it's pink. highlight, like, look. Alrighty, so we're just gonna set the face, put a little chapstick on, and we are set to go to the gym. I just set my face with the Makeup Missing Set from e.l.f. So the next time you see me will be at the gym. Alrighty. Okay, so I just got in my car and we're about to head to the gym. I will cut the camera back on when I get there. I do work out at 24 Hour Fitness, and I'll show you all of that once I get there, okay? Okay, so I just made it to the gym. I'm just waiting for someone to get off the Stairmaster so I can get on, and then we'll definitely get that workout on. I mean, this is my first vlog, and I don't really know what to talk about. I'm slightly nervous, but alrighty, we're gonna get this workout on. Let's get it. Alright, so we just finished cardio, or at least round 1, right? And you know, we were sweaty, but I think we're looking okay. Looking okay. Alrighty. So we're gonna go upstairs and we're gonna work on legs. Just threw my water bottle away. I'm always doing something, right? Alrighty. Probably incorporate some of it if I can or if I remember. Alright. Later, you guys. Okay, so we just finished that leg workout, right? I done wiped off the sweat now. Makeup still on my face. Not as beat as it was when I first came in, of course. But hey, we're doing good. Alright, you guys, so we are in the steam room right now, and the steam room is like my favorite place after my cardio and my workout. It just brings me a lot of peace to relax my muscles after I was on the Stairmaster, and you definitely got to go hard with the weightlifting. So after that and the cardio, steam room or sauna, I really like the sauna because a lot of people are tossed in this hot place that's dry. Power to you guys who can. But the steam room is my favorite place now. Like currently here in here by ourselves. So just getting our sweat on more. I'll see you guys later. Alright, YouTube, so we are back. I would say I would give this foundation, if I had to rate it from 1 to 10, I would give it a 4. Only because it came off really easy and it didn't stick well to my skin, and it could be just because I really put this to the test at the gym. So, I mean, it's not meant to be more energy foundation. So, but that's one of my cons that I would definitely say isn't hold up where I broke down. It's settled in my smile line. That's probably just, I don't know. But it's not on my face as good as it was when I started. So, I definitely will give it a 4. Will I still wear this foundation? Yeah, just not to the gym. My favorite thing about this foundation, which is a plus to me, so if I was just going out to have drinks with my friends and not the gym, I would definitely wear this foundation because it kept my face matte. As you can see, I am not shiny or, looking like I have overproduction of oil on my skin and I've been wearing this for 30 days or something like that. It doesn't look like that. Now, I will say, if you look very closely, I'm gonna kind of like turn my face. You see like these little baby bumps. I think I'm having an allergic reaction to this foundation. So I'm not sure. I'm gonna try it again, some other time. But other than that, when you first apply it, the coverage is great. It looks beautiful. It is not gym approved, okay? So wear this to go out and be cute, but do not wear this to the gym because you will look crazy. So tomorrow we're gonna try out, let's see what foundation we're gonna put to the test. Match Master tomorrow. So if you'd like to see how that goes, continue watching. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and press that subscribe button and definitely hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. All right, we'll see you in the next one, you guys. Thank you for watching.